Hello, friends. Welcome back. And now I'm sure many of us have difficulties making decisions in our life. At every step of our life, we have to take major decisions regarding our careers, our jobs, whether to continue doing the job, whether to quit it, marriage related decisions. So we get really stuck because that decision can be a life changing event for us, and that can paralyze us when we have so many options and we have overthought about it. So to help make quicker decision, you need to first of all understand as to what is there in your mind that stops you from going and grabbing one options that you have. That is so the most major factor that prevents us from taking a decision is the fear of something going wrong. What if I do this and this goes wrong, this does not go my way, if I do this and this does not happen? So that fear of something going worst is the major factor that stops us from taking a decision. How do you overcome this? So stay with me, watch this video till the end, and I'm sure it's definitely going to help you. So the first thing that you need to do is decide your priorities, because no matter how much we think that we know, it is not clear in our conscious mind that what our priorities are. So please write down as to whether you give more priority to power or money or family, because there are comes these options that can affect our decision making abilities. So if your priority is family, you would definitely choose an option which involves family. If it is power, then you will go with other option, because in this case if you choose family, you will regret it and you will not be happy with yourself. So clearly decide your priorities. Second thing that you need to do is write down or think about the positives and negatives, pros and cons of all the alternatives that you have to choose from. Now here you might have already done this, pros and negatives, but it is important to note here is only the numbers of positives is not important. Suppose you have only two positives in one of the decision, one of the alternatives that you have, but those two positives may be more powerful than the five positive here. Now powerful, how do you know? Powerful in terms of your priorities. Maybe the two option here involves money, and money is a priority of your life, so you would definitely like to go with this option, even if there are five positive here, but they are not that powerful. So when you clearly have all the positive negatives, then look through it in terms of number if you feel that there is nothing as such priority of your life. Otherwise, see in terms of power, so you will get a clear picture to decide. Now the third and the most important thing that you need to do is see the worst case scenarios of all the alternatives. This is very important here. Like I said, fear of something going wrong is what stops us. So see what is the negative that can happen. Now if you feel that if I do this, this can happen, if I leave the job, this can happen, but still I would like to leave it because I don't want to keep thinking that what if I would have taken the other offer that was better. I don't want to have lifetime regrets. So you're, for that other offer, you're ready to compromise on this wrong here. So that is what is important. So if you are ready to endure, see which of the worst you are ready to endure. You're ready to go through that worst just to see for yourself, just not to have that regret later. That worst that you're ready to endure is where your heart is, and you should definitely go with that decision. So all these three factors will give you a clear picture. Once you have that clarity, once you know that even if this goes wrong, I will still not regret this decision, that's what is the decision that you need to take, and you will never regret it. You will be happy. Now please remember that there is always a certainty. No matter how much you have explored, how much you have thought, still there can be chances, there is a probability that something might go wrong. So if that wrong you are ready to face, definitely you will not be fearful for taking that decision. So I hope through this video you can make faster decisions. If you feel this video was useful, please do like it, share it, and subscribe to it. And if there is any other topic that you want me to do a video on, please tell me on the comment section below. Till then, take care. Bye bye.